Did you try trading crypto but lost money? Would you like to know when to buy and sell in the crypto market? Looking for the next 50 times or 100 times crypto investment? Would you like to receive winning crypto trading signals instantly? Do you want to network with other winning traders? Join the Crypto Millionaire Fastlane VIP trading group today. Go to cryptomillion.co to join now.
Welcome to Knockout Crypto. Thank you for following our channel. This video is about Zilliqa's price prediction for 2021. We're getting to the end of the year. I want to give you guys these price predictions. Zilliqa is very undervalued. This is a project that I think is going to do really well in 2021. I don't think a lot of people realize what Zilliqa has going on because they're in Asia, in Southeast Asia, but they're really a productive blockchain and they really have really good technology. And I think it's now coming to people are starting to realize how good of a company Zilliqa is and what they're doing, and they have some big projects building on Zilliqa. So they have some partners that are building and doing some amazing things. So keep an eye out on Zilliqa. It's definitely one you definitely need to watch out for. So I'm going to get into the video. We're going to look into what Zilliqa is and how it's doing price-wise and what our price prediction will be for 2021 for Zilliqa. This is going to be a short video. When I do these price prediction videos, they usually are short, but I try to fill it with a lot of content, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also sign up at knockoutcrypto.com for the next big crypto report and for inside trades that can make you money, right? So let's see where Zilliqa is at right now. So Zilliqa is currently 3 cents, almost 3.5 cents. It's ranked 50th on CoinMarketCap. Market cap is $373 million. Volume $60 million. Circulated supply $10 billion. Total supply $14 billion. Max supply $21 billion. If you look at the chart here, you can see the price in March 17th, 2020, when we had that big dip, was 0.3 of a penny. So it's done a 10x since March. People started accumulating it in June. You saw it go up to 2 cents. And now it's back up to over 3 cents. So Zilliqa has started to move mostly of 2020, mostly gone up. So that's very impressive, right? So let's see what Zilliqa is about and what it is and why it's going up. So Zilliqa is a public permissionless blockchain that is designed to offer high throughput with the ability to complete thousands of transactions per second. It seeks to solve the issue of blockchain scalability and speed by employing sharding as a second layer scaling solution. The platform is home to many decentralized applications, and as of October 2020, it also allows for staking and yield farming. That's big, and I think that's part of what's driving the price up. As of October 2020, it also allows for staking and yield farming. So I think that's where you're seeing the price go up. The native utility token of ZIL is used to process transactions on the network and execute smart contracts. So let's just go real quickly to the staking, right? And I think that's what's been driving the price up lately a lot, is the staking. So one of the places I found that you can stake Zilliqa, well, actually, if you just go to Zilliqa.com, right, click on staking, you can stake through our elegant and user-friendly Zilliqa Zillion portal, the first of its kind in the blockchain world, and they have staking guidelines. Learn more about staking. So people are staking now, and they're earning ZIL, right? So you can hit this button, stake at Zilliqa.com. You can sign in and stake here. Sign in for operator. Enter your wallet address to check rewards. People are doing that. Currently, the real-time APY is 17%. That's pretty high. 27% of the circulating supply is staked. 90% of the GZIL is available. So they have people are just staking a lot of ZIL, and that is causing the price to rise. So as you can see, you have Zilliqacy, Moonlet, Atomic Wallet API. Atomic Wallet is where I chose to stake my Zilliqa. You can still get on KuCoin, SexZio, Shard Pool, Staked. So when you go to Atomic Wallet, you can put this calculator in. You can put in how much Zilliqa you're holding. So let's say you're holding 10,000 Zilliqa coins, right? Which is a value of about $340. you would earn 150 ZIL per month, or about 1,800 ZIL per year, which is pretty good, 18%. So that's a pretty good return. So a lot of people might be staking with the Atomic wallet, but wherever you're staking ZIL, you're getting more, and they're also coming up with DeFi platforms as well. So let me just show you what ZIL has got going on. So the ecosystem. So they're working with some pretty big people in the ecosystem. Some of the most featured collaborations is Zilliqa, XG Exchange, and Xverse. So this Zilliqa is a future of marketing technology. They do big things as well. You want to check them out. And I'm going to encourage you to go through and read these for your own self. But the one that impressed me was this one, because it empowers your business to pay vendors in Singapore as some sort of like API payment method that is built on or building on Zilliqa. So it's huge over in Singapore, right? And then you have the XG Exchange, which is a private securities global liquidity exchange. They have over 500K members, and they're built on Zilliqa. So, you have this exchange that's built on Zilliqa as well. So right here, they have over 500,000 investors, and it's built on Zilliqa. So once again, that's something you guys should check out. Southeast Asia's first member-driven private exchange built on Zilliqa. Also, Chain Security, they have a partnership with Zilliqa as well. They have over 1 billion secured. As you can see here, Zilliqa's on the website. They're connected with Zilliqa. We have secured complex systems for top blockchain clients, over 1 billion secured. Zilliqa, Kyber Network, Polkadot, all Ren, all of those are connected to this as well. They're building. Another place that is connected to Zilliqa is Unstoppable Domains. A lot of people don't know that, but Zilliqa is with Unstoppable Domains as well. So that is big, right? So Unstoppable Domains allows you to get a .crypto domain, and you could just, they have domains that will be stored in your cryptocurrency wallet and can be transferred by you after you claim the name on the blockchain with your wallet. That's another way that you can get in it. They have big investors. Draper Associates, Boost VP are invested in Unstoppable Domains. Unstoppable Domains is based in Las Vegas, Nevada, right? So there you go. You have Zilliqa has a eco-level interest game with cross-chain support called Krypton. So the 5 things you can know about this Krypton game is this game allows you to trade NFTs. This game allows you to stake ZIL while you play. You can also earn interest when locked at 25%. Zilliqa Planet has multiple games available, such as Zilliqa Tycoon. So you can go check out this as well. So let's get into the price prediction. But wow, there's a lot going on with Zilliqa, right? The price prediction for Zilliqa for 2021, the price prediction. So this comes from digitalcoinprice.com. Price prediction for Zilliqa at the end of 2021 is 9 cents, 10 cents. So I'm going to say 10 cents by the end of 2021. That is my price prediction for Zilliqa. I think that's a conservative price prediction, but I think 10 cents for Zilliqa at the end of 21 is great. I'm just going to show you at December. It should be 7 cents by the end of December 2020. And as you can see here, January 2020, we're at 10 cents. February 2021, we're at 8 cents. March 2021, we're at 10 cents. April 2021, we're at 10 cents. May 21, we're at 10 cents. June 2021, we're at 8 cents. July 2021, 8 cents. August 2021, 7 cents. September 21, 8 cents. October 21, 10 cents. November 21, 10 cents. December 2021, 8 cents. So my prediction for Zilliqa is to hit 8 cents at the end of 2021. That's my prediction. Gov Capital did a prediction as well. I believe their prediction was a little bit lower. Their prediction was around 3 to 5 cents by the end of 2021. I think it's going to be higher. I think it's going to be 10 cents by the end of 2021. Zilliqa has 100K followers on Twitter. The last tweets here, nothing big, just simple tweets about what's going on. You can go check their Twitter out. I also did a quick little glance at their chart on TradingView. This is the Zilliqa Zilliqa Bitcoin chart on Binance. This is the 13 EMA with the in yellow and the EMA 34 in red. When usually when I see the 13 above the 34, I sell. I think it's a little high right now. I think Zilliqa will come down a little bit in the short term. And also the RSI is showing 82 above 80, which means it's oversold, right? So it's probably going to come down into this range eventually in the next few days. So right now Zilliqa is a little oversold. It's a little hot. I would wait till it dropped a little bit and then get back into it. But like I like it when the 13 is below the 34. Okay, but yeah, I think Zilliqa is just a really promising project that will do well, and I think the prediction of 10 cents by the end of 2021 is a good prediction. Price prediction, like I said, 10 cents at the end of 2021. If you want to get in on the group and get our calls, go to cryptomillion.co to get our calls early and to get in and to see what we're doing in the group and making money in the group. Okay, so check that out as well at cryptomillion.co. Join our Discord group. We made a call yesterday that went up by like 80%. So definitely check out the group cryptomillion.co. Thank you guys. Be safe out there with COVID. Be safe. All right, take care of you and your family. Be safe. Enjoy the holiday season. Thank you.
Did you try trading crypto but lost money? Would you like to know when to buy and sell in the crypto market? Looking for the next 50 times or 100 times crypto investment? Would you like to receive winning crypto trading signals instantly? Do you want to network with other winning traders? Join the Crypto Millionaire Fastlane VIP trading group today. Go to cryptomillion.co to join now.